What is now? Or this arranged thing there with Zikita. Mother sin azu matacha everything about you. Send the zendo to your gabia potage. Or forgot Bogafra. They are about arranging work. And then the Zuzu there must be careful and stop deceiving people. Stop deceiving people. Deuteronomy chapter 18:20 say, otherwise you will die. Because people have problems. Don't perpetuate their problems by adding another problems into the problems they came with. It's manipulation. If you want to be famous, there are other ways to be famous.
You have heard the voice of Reverend Mbaka on his outcry against people who are doing RNG prophecy. And now my big question is this. Reverend Mbaka, is this a cry to salvage the image of Christianity? Or is this a cry for it to remain relevant? Or is this a cry for it to get back to position as one who is losing popularity? It is a big question for me. I don't know about you, my friend. Now, if I may ask my second question, who is Mbaka referring to here? Is he referring to Ebuka? Is he referring to Jeremiah? Is he referring to who? Who is he actually referring to as ones who are doing the RNG prophecy? Well, this issue of prophecy, prophet or prophecy or prophetess of a thing is an issue that I will discuss in my next video. But first, let me do on this very outcry of Reverend Mbaka. Now, let me go down this lane. Last time I checked, 214 that ushered in 215 of President Buhari, Mbaka was the one who told us that God told him that Buhari is a Messiah and good luck is a bad luck to Nigeria. Until this day, I'm still waiting for the messianic nature of Buhari to Nigerians, which even till the lapse of his presidency, we saw nothing, rather we saw shaking. And in 2019, the same Mbaka told us that a new hope, that he's seen a new hope in Imo State. A new hope is coming to Imo State. And lo and behold, what we saw? We saw Hope Uzodimma from the fourth position becoming the governor of Imo State. And till today, we are still hoping for the new hope in Imo State, which we have seen nothing. Rather, we have seen mightering of souls. Many families today have been rendered childless, widows, widowers, orphans in Imo State. And I want to ask Mbaka this very question. All these prophecies that you gave, was it a prophecy from God or was it a prophecy from portfolio? Was it a prophecy you gave that God gave to you, or was it a prophecy of portfolio? Green envelope. It's a question that I would like you to answer, whosoever that is your follower that is concerned to answer. Last time I checked, if your outcry, you are referring to Ebuka. Ebuka was your disciple. You are the mentor of Ebuka. And if Ebuka is doing the RNG prophecy of a thing today, it means he learned it from you. No more because my Igbo people say that not about whatever a child does today is what he learns from his parents. Yes. Did 50% of whatever child does is what he learned from his parents. So there's a tendency that what Ebuka is doing today, if you are referring to him, is what he learned from you, the Reverend Mbaka. Because for you to tell her that Buhari is a messiah. There are so many of your videos that pointed at what triggered your prophecy was a portfolio that was triggered your prophecy. And that of Hope Uzodimma was also a prophecy of portfolio, bazaar, and so on and so forth. And what triggered your anger, hatred against P2B was that he refused to offer you a portfolio. That's where your problem with P2B surfaces today. And you trying to be the Messiah. I'm still waiting to see you, reconcile with P2B as a clergy you are, as a spiritualist that wants to salvage the image of the Christian faith. So I don't like to see people coming to this social media to play on the gallery as if they are better than others, whereas you are into the same game. I don't know when last you stopped this and I saw and I heard, then coupled with high vocabularies, use it to confuse your audience. So my followers and my brothers and sisters, I would like you to extend this video to Reverend Mbaka. Because I asked you, who is he referring to? Who is actually referring to? Because you can't tell me that you are not into this. And Ebuka was your disciple. He followed you before finally he get established. And Matthias Ezako was also your disciple, who saw everything. And today, you know what is happening. So, Ejike Mbaka, you are also guilty of this. We want to get your response. Who is he referring to? I don't want to centralize that he's referring to Ebuka. Oji akwasa, si amara onwe ya.